Hello, just some quick installation notes on the fishing rod bracket installation with the fishing rod holder. So basically all the hardware is here. You got 2 bolts, 2 brackets, depending on which brackets you order for the front basket or the large rear basket. Okay, so each bracket has a nut and washer inside the slot. So we're going to tighten that down. Okay. And you have 2 clamps that will attach on the inside of the basket, like so. Now, a way to tighten the Velcro is put a little bit of the lip of the Velcro, roll it over on the pipe and under the bracket, and then hold it, and then pull on this Velcro piece here, pull on it real tight, and bring it down. And that's pretty secure. And there you have it. So it's pretty secure even with that. I mean, that's not going anywhere. If you want, you can secure it even tighter with 2 zip ties. Just run them down the slots of the Velcro. There you have it. Fishing rod holder installed on the Rad large basket. I have the brackets to fit the small front basket or the small basket on the rear, either way. So it's not going anywhere. All right, let's go fishing.